Hello everyone, you're back again with another video, and this video is for educational and ethical purposes only. Only run the harvester on domains you own or have permissions to test. So what is the harvester? The harvester is an open source intelligence tool used for information gathering. It collects emails, subdomains, hosts and IPs. Uses public data sources like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Shodan, and etc. No hacking is involved here, so just public info. So what you're going to be doing now, we are first going to check if the harvester is installed in our Kali Linux terminal, which is quite obvious because Kali Linux comes with most of the tools pre-installed in it. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go straight into the basic usage demo of the harvester. So first I'm going to start with the basic domain enumeration with the harvester. So I'll be doing the harvester. Let's run this in root sudo the harvester -d, and here let's say I'll use example.com and then do a -b with google.com. No, or let's just say Google. Click enter on that password. Well, the following is, and so you can see that Google is not supported here using the harvester, but we have an option. You can use the -b, select all, click enter on that. As you can see, it's look for Shodan. You can see we have Shodan over here, Binacas, yeah. So it's searching on Bing results and all of that. Well, actually, let's go to the real information gathering with the harvester. So let's click exit on that, clear the screen. So as I have said, the harvester mainly is used for information gathering. It is an open source intelligence tool known as OSINT in short. So now what I'll be doing now, say we're going to limit our results that we are going to want the harvester to display on the screen. So I'll use the harvester -d. Now let's use a Google account, like let's say john.com -b and select let's use Bing. And now since we want to limit our results, I'm going to use -l and let's limit it to 50 results. So click enter on that. So we're giving it time to run. So from our search, we can see that searching Bing, no IPs were found, no emails were found, no people found, or no hosts were found. Technically, this is how you can use the harvester to gather information about your target, about anyone or any type of system you want to target. So this is how you're going to gather information using the harvester. We have different commands we can use. We can also save our output file to our desired location, or using our own way of saving. Like let's say I want to save it like the harvester 1, harvester 2. Yes. So supported data sources The popular ones are like Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Shodan, and yes. So understanding the output, and the thing is, we'll be getting different types of emails linked to different accounts, subdomains, host, IP address, and then we're going to use other tools to gather more information, like Sherlock, see where this email has been used, and that's how attackers work their way through. And yes, attackers recon and defenders asset discovery and exposure reduction. It's very important to mention that in defensive use cases using bug bounty, recon, blue team asset inventory, attack surface management, awareness training. Thank you for watching that video, and remember that this video is only for educational purposes. And like, subscribe, comment what tool you want me to explain about next.